Turn up your body, like wow. Yeah.
The case shake up the place like
Now,
wow.
go on, I never see it a while ago. We not go like we never see that a while ago. No. Like twerk everybody right now. Key shake up the place right now. That's the class and the whole with the shape to blow out the clip. But my girl, you see her man, yeah.
Reaction.
I'm gonna get a 9 on my motherfucking head.
Y'all better subscribe, man. Pow! What's the word to Mr. Boy TriniBad aka the reaction? We're back in effect with another video for you guys. Now we're here with a song called Wow by Toppy Boss featuring Shawn Storm. Now if you didn't know, this is actually a remix because this song was actually out on Apple Music, you know, on our streaming platform before it was officially released on YouTube. You understand me? And I know it because, you know, I listen to Toppy Boss. We listen to all the artists them on because I'm trying to support them on all the streaming platform them. You see me saying? So yes, that's somebody know this. But I never had the reaction. I wasn't doing reactions at the time when this came out, so you don't know. We're back to upload it 3 times per day right now. So if you never know, you know now. We're on the road to 15k subscribers and we're doing it before the end of January. Let's get straight to it right now. Like, wow. You don't know in the comments over there, so as usual. Let me say, if you have anything you want to promote, hit me up on Instagram at TriniBad. They could be over there for the first 2 to 3 minutes of the video. You understand me? Big up on yourself. Let's get straight to the video. Oh, wow. Go on.
Lampshade music.
Yeah.
Complete.
Like wow.
Okay.
Zombie.
Alright.
Like wow.
Hey, people. I know that. You heard the Shawn Storm voice already. You can't even believe it. The collaboration happened Gaza. TriniBad. 9 boss. Huh? You don't know that. Go on.
You ain't know that. You ain't know
You don't know that.
Bring the Mac 11 and the Mac.
Book. That's if you bring the Mac level and the Mac. Hey, people, I touch on this one and there. I like wow right now. No? You don't know it dropping. I know that. I like wow right now. Make we see why it's a go another video.
Bring the Mac 11, bring the Mac.
Alright then.
Alright, like wow. High grade kicking on my brain like wow.
This guy come out as the high grade kicking on brain like wow. People, the dog run up brawling. Them dog run to the COVID mask, colorful sparkle COVID mask, dog. Watch there with bucket hat. A different kind of badness and dog get up and you know. A different kind of badness. Go on.
Bottle Hennessy on the ground right now. People I think me I celebrate right now. Niggas tongue full me alive right.
How much buckle Edison up on the ground right now? 9 buckle Edison on the ground right now. I think the dog I celebrate right now. I wonder why I celebrate. I wonder what Toppy Boss I celebrate, people. Me no know. But we're gonna find out right now. Hey. Go on, 9 boss.
No, like
Turn up your body,
like wow.
Yeah.
The case shake up the place like
Now,
wow.
go on, I never see it a while ago. We not gonna go on like we never see that a while ago. No. Like twerk everybody right now. Key shake up the place right now. That's the class and the whole with the shape to blow out the clip. But my girl, you see her, man, yeah. I see her. Reaction boss always so no. But me not gonna never avoid you know. But always say oh no. Always I say oh no. Go on.
Man cooler than in a North Pole.
Alright.
Oh mama, yeah, oh mama, boy.
He smoking at the sky and gunpowder.
Well on, Mr. Shawn Storm. See little girl up on the bumper clip left side. Little girl, I'm telling you this. I want you to follow me on Instagram at TriniBad. You see me and say, you know, I have something to tell you, man. That's all I have to tell you. You see me? Yo, Shawn Storm, what you doing now? Before you warn them, just calm them. You me a say no, bumper clip. Can't bad me up. Go on.
Boy.
He smoking at the sky and gunpowder. 9 shot, but the 45 louder.
Hold on. We smoking at the and gun. What? What make it 45 louder? Yo, Shawn Storm, where you get them lyrics from? Boy, I have more for listen to now. Him said more people. I know that's not all he said. Let's get straight to it. Wow.
I walk with the key across my shoulder.
What?
Everything I and bust it like soldier.
You hear that? The dog said no walk with the key across his shoulder. The dog said everything in my hand. Bust it like soldier. Different type of badness than dog you are there with. Different type of badness. Me man now I could not care across no blood clean. No. Yeah. Go on.
I face my place, the key fi spray, prepare for taste, the key gunshot pave the way.
What? Wanna hear the floor? Or me alone hear the floor? Tell me what, I hear the floor while I go Shawn stop just drop on your remix. What? She be rated.
If you're not dead, me raid the grave with an grenade, the zombie brave gunshot down the grave.
High grade kicking on my brain like.
And then here comes the people to the bad chorus again. I agree kicking on my brain like, wow, oh mama, yeah, oh mama, oh yeah, Hey, but now I ain't singing about in the dark. I'm saying this is millions of bumbuckler views. People want to know. You say, for instance, that song already, I never listened to it yet. I want to go back to that song right now. Got just some fire emoji over there. I make them know that the reaction boss said no over this. So, oh mama, yeah, oh mama, oh God.
9 bottle Hennessy on the ground right now. People I think me a celebrate right now.
So, a drugs my boy a push. A that me see a go on. A drugs me see my boy a push. And a drugs me see my push. Or a what? A blind and a drugs my boy really a push. Who don't know, I could see why it's a go on. Because you can't see me that's a weird tree then I shot here too.
Don't feel me alive right now.
Yeah.
Like twerk up your body like wow. The case shake up the place like.
Hold on there. Me thankful me alive right now. Like twerk everybody. Hold on there. What kind of drugs this? Drugnification I go on. Big words. Me even know about that one they don't be just invented. Hold on there. Me shock. But okay, so where's I go on? Drugnification. That me I call it today. Go on.
Man cooler than the North Pole. Oh mama, yeah, oh mama, oh.
So $3.99 you get the drugnification for? $3.99. I got me a pre right now. No. Me if I pre the lyrics in the chorus, you know, where the chorus are ready. You see me, I say, we hear that are ready. Oh mama, yeah, oh mama, oh. Go on now.
Man skiller than the one married on.
What?
I'm sonning these niggas, I'm the father.
Toppy parts, you can't deal with that. Ooh. We love that shot here. Yeah, man. Whoever inspired the shot here right here, so. Whoever inspired that shot here right here, so. You deserve a Grammy. Because I want the pan, the left side. But what I Mr. Toppy, I think we never hear you a while ago. You're skiller than who? You're skiller than who? Marry who? You're skiller than Mr. Married Honor? Yeah, yes, sir.
Up the Celtic, but the key bus harder. Yeah. Beat it from the back, make her call me Dada.
Beat it from the back, make she call me Dada. You see me, I say, American girl them say Daddy. The old Trinidad girl them go say Dada. Those sort of people are that one they different. From the back, they will call me Dada. Your man should look good to me in a bald suit or your blood clean. Go on!
His pussy all lock up.
Yeah.
90 make the whole of until my shop. Top up on his cunt, then my coffee back up.
When your mother come, that's it's gonna be called for back up. People hate us on this song right now. Just some very much down below in the comment section. Let me know what your thoughts on this song by Toppy the Boss, featuring Shawn Storm 9X Gaza. See me I say, yeah man. Down below. Leave a like if you like the video. Like, I see you watch the video. I see you. You're watching the video right now. Why you don't like the video yet? Just drop a like on the video. Yeah, like, big up yourself. Go on!
Reach on the scene, every squaddy back up. High grade kicking on my brain like.
Go up and skin all that, squaddy them back up, squaddy them free of them to blow out clothes. And that a go on. You don't know, start high grade kicking them brain right now.
9 bottle Hennessy, cooler than the Nam. Make him a fly, the birds them fed up of us.
Well, the reason why I did that, you know, of course, like, you know, 1 year again, but it doesn't make your marrow fly, what? It doesn't make your marrow do what? You know, star. You know, so, you know, dog, I don't like no dog, but me Stanley in a dog. Stay me go lady with me cane at the sun. Hold till your head back with me run. Pray for me heart over me knife for me gun. Pray God make boy put weed them down. Me heart a disease, I'm not mine a this. Buske till it not so long done. Sign vital like me gun. We bust boy heads in the moon. Kill them with the demon carbon 15. Kill them, make we burn them. Not try on the only go make the dogs them get mean. Oh, from what day some boy a petty way. They must, I promise y'all a cemetery. We evil, we crush, fly and junk grow. We evil, man, they murder your family. Some more them wanna be, boy them wanna be, now the gunshot about stereotype bar with the little kids. We don't care who you come and now you are power with. Kill them with the AR shot pass straight in a far away. Shawn was star. We get carried away that. Yo, you know, say every time, we know that from every series listening, dog. Anytime I do reactions, dog, I feel a song or I'm just in the zone, dog. I always sing that song, dog. Old family, dog. The old family, the baddest thing, dog. Trust me, dog. Go fish your reaction. We have one more chorus to go. Go on.
You don't wanna smoke, come me think twice. Man, have your career skating on thin ice. Man,
Hold on, what? When we say a 3 bumper cleat first, Toppy Boss have on a song. Plus the feature from Sandstorm. Good music, people. Good music indeed. Let's go!
murder you once, dig up your grave twice. The devil tell me need to get baptized.
Hold on. Dog say murder you once, but him dig up your grave twice. Toppy Boss, where you get them lyrics you from? John Star. Run it.
High grade kicking on my brain like whoa. 9 bottle Hennessy on the ground right now.
Hold on again, dog. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Big up yourself. This is where Tyre Plus AK, the reaction boss. Leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Into the original videos down below in the description of this video. Go check it out. Go follow me on Instagram at Tyre Vlogs. You see me, I say get me to 15k followers right now. We're currently at 12k. You know what I mean? You don't know what's happening now. Reaction boss signing out here. Peace.